Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can be Gary the Snail on Dress to Impress. So you're going to change your skin color to this color. You can be more accurate with it, but I just use this. I think Gary's a little bit more, actually no, he's kind of about that color. I use this hex code, this color code. I'll probably put it in the description box if I don't forget. But that's what I used, and I'm going to use these sleeves and I'm going to color it the same as my body. Then I am going to use the cupcake one for this. And I'm basically going to color everything except for the sprinkles. So I'm going to color the sprinkles this kind of like purple color and leave it at that. And then I'm going to go here and we're going to use the skirt, but just this ruffle. So turn off the layer and we're going to color it this green. This is the color code for that. It doesn't have to be super accurate, but that's what I use. And then for the top, I'm going to use the tutu for this like blue. Again, I will use this color code. Then I'm going to use this like hood over here. I'm going to color it the same. You can also use this one, but maybe just this one, and then color it the same as your skin. You don't really have to, but it just adds a lot more layer to it. Go to this dress, select that, and enable reflective. If it's gone, just use the sparkle or not. I don't care what you do, but you're going to color it this blue, which is the same as the skirt. Once you're done, you're going to grab this balloon and you're going to color it like kind of a really super light green, but like super light that you can almost not see the green here. So just drag it here and place it like that and copy and paste it and make the string the same color as the rest, like this blue color. Then you're going to grab this umbrella and you're going to color that the same color as your self here, except for the roses and the like line here. So like that's going to be purple and that's going to be the same, and the sorry, wrong one. And then the fourth one will be this color, sorry. Then you'll need the Halloween pose pack, which is the puppet one. Oh, sorry, the doll one, my bad. And that's it, you're Gary the Snail. You can also change the color of your shoes here, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!